Hello class, today I want to quickly review the standard algorithm with you. This is what you're going to be seeing for many years from now. This is the way that you'll probably always do multiplication when you're older. So look at this. It's a little bit easier and faster, but the reason we don't start teaching you this is because it can be a little confusing if we don't understand. So let's start with 35 times 7. Okay, simple enough. 35 multiplied 7. Okay, when I do it this way, I'll do 7 times 5 is 35. Carry my 3. 7 times 3, make sure I go that way too. 7 times 3 is 21, 22, 23, 24. And my answer is 245. You can check that with the box method if you want to make sure. Now, this is where the standard algorithm gets a little bit trickier. Let's try it with a 2-digit times 2-digit. So instead of 35 times 7, let's do 35 times 42. Okay, we'll set it up again. 35 times 42. Okay, so we'll start off with our 2. This one, 2 times 5. I know that's 10. I'll carry my 1. I'll go this way. 2 times 3, I know that's 6, plus 1 more. I know that's 7. Okay, now this is the really important step. Many of you jump right over here and say, okay, 4 times 5 is 20. You are correct, but this is not just a 4. Remember, this is a 4D. So as soon as I move to my next digit, I have to put a 0 down. I have to. Now I can do it. 4 times 5, that's 20. Carry my 2. Then it gets a little messy, but 4 times 3, that's 12, 13, 14. Now I can add my numbers up as usual. 0 plus 0, 7 plus 0, 4, 1. So 35 times 42 is 1,470. This 0 right here is really important. Let's do another one just to make sure. Let's do 63 times 24. Okay, set it up. 63 times 24. Won't use our colors, but we'll make sure to do it correctly. 4 times 3, I know that's 12. Carry my 1. 4 times 6, I know that's 24. Plus 1, 25. Now, am I just going to do 2 times 3? I hope you said no, Miss Co, and I hope you said add your 0 because I'm moving to the next place value. Now, 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 6 is 12. Add them up. 2 plus 0. 5 plus 6 is 11. Got to carry that 1. 2 plus 2 is 4. Plus 1 makes it 5. Oops, sorry. 1 plus nothing is 1. So 63 times 24 is 1,512. All right, let's do now a 3-digit by 2-digit number. We're really gonna have to think about our place value and what these numbers mean. Okay, let's try 387. We'll start with 3-digit times 2 by, let's say, 13. Okay, gonna set it up again. 387 times, I usually put the small number on the bottom, easier. Okay, 3 times 7, I know that's 21, carry my 2. 3 times 8, I know that's 24, plus 2, 25, 26. Carry my 2. 3 times 3, I know that's 9, plus 2 more is 11. Okay, now, super, super important. I'm not just jumping right over to my 1, because that's actually a 10. I have to put a 0. 1 times 7, 7. 1 times 8 is 8. 1 times 3 is 3. Okay, add them up. 6 plus 6 is 12. 1 more is 13 using my doubles tricks. 1 plus 8 is 9. Plus 1 more is 10. 3, 4, 5. Okay, so that is 5,031. The same as when we had 2 by 2, right? That's really pretty much the same. Now, let's do 3-digit times a 3-digit number. So this is where it's going to get even harder. 435 times 251. Okay, so we need to stack them up. Draw a line to separate. We need to stack them up. 435 times 251. Okay, we'll do our usual procedure. 1 times 5, 1 times 3, 1 times 4. Now we know we can't just do 5 times 5. We have to put a 0 here because that's really a 50. 5 times 5 is 25. Carry the 2. 5 times 3, 15. Plus 2, 17. 5 times 4 is 20. Plus 1 makes that 21. All right, now another step. Is this a 2? No. It's really a 200, right? 251. So we have to put 2 zeros because that's a 200, right? To make that 50, we put 1 0. To make that 200, we had to put 2 zeros before we did any math. Now we can do our math. 2 times 5 is 10. Carry the 1. 2 times 3 is 6. Plus 1 is 7. Should have done this neater, sorry. 2 times 4 is 8. I'm going to rewrite my numbers because I'm noticing they're getting a little bit sloppy, and you should do that as well. I'm going to line them up nicely. We've got 0, 5, 7, 1, 2, and we've got 0, 0, 0, 7, 8. Okay. Add up my numbers. 5, 6, 7, 8. 7 plus, oh, well, I know 7 plus 3 is 10. I know my 10s tricks. Plus 1 more is 11. 7, 8, 9. And I know 8 plus 2 is 10. So this number comes out to be, let's see here, 109,185. Wow, that is a big number. All right, so the thing you need to remember here is these sneaky, sneaky zeros. Don't let these little guys get you. Put some smiles in there. Don't let those guys get you, all right? Off you go. Let us know if you have questions.